Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to make hidden files and folders visible permanently in Windows 11 so you can see exactly what's taking up space on your drive. By default, Windows hides important system data to prevent accidental deletions, but for power users, being able to see these files is essential for troubleshooting and manual debloating. First, press the Windows key plus E on your keyboard to open File Explorer. At the top of the window, click on the View menu. Hover over Show at the bottom of the list, and then click on Hidden Items. You will immediately see previously invisible folders appear with a slightly faded or transparent icon. Now, to make sure these stay visible, and to uncover even deeper system files, we need to go into the Advanced Settings. Click the three dots at the end of the top menu bar and select Options. In the Folder Options window, click the View tab. Under Advanced Settings, ensure the bubble for Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives is selected. While you're here, uncheck the box for Hide extensions for known file types. This is a huge security win because it prevents malicious files from disguising themselves as simple images or text documents. For the ultimate level of transparency, uncheck Hide Protected Operating System Files recommended. A warning will appear. Click Yes to confirm, then click Apply and OK. And that's it. Your file system is no longer keeping secrets from you. I hope this helps with your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.